I swear, man, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I'll pay you anything you want. Hey, everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Please tell me quickly why you're holding a knife.
Because we're doing an unboxing.
It's an epic unboxing of
Robin Hoods.
Robin Hoods.
But the gold ones this time, not the silver ones. We've done the silver before.
Yep.
This is the gold.
What's with the knife, though? You haven't answered my question.
So, I mentioned on, I think, one of the previous videos, well, I put out a request on a previous video for a decent knife.
Yep.
For our unboxings. And we had 2 people respond. One, I don't have permission to mention their name, which is the gentleman who gave us this beautiful thing.
Yep.
Which is handcrafted in Italy.
Beautiful.
I believe.
Yep.
Carbon steel, the whole shebang.
Yep.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
And then we do have another one. I do happen to have it here. Do we want to do that as well?
We're going to save that for the epic unbox, the big epic unboxing we're going to film after this one. Let's get into this quickly.
All right, let's do it.
I want to see this knife perform.
It performs incredibly well,
cool.
man.
Wow. Ew.
It's
well,
beautiful
it acts
knife.
like a knife, yeah.
It does.
It does cuts and everything. So we are unboxing the 2021 Gold Robin Hood. This is part of the new Royal Mint Myths and Legends series.
It is.
So get this baby.
They seal these flaming boxes.
That's all right. We'll get it going.
Here we go. She's coming apart.
Fantastic. We've had the silver Robin Hoods up for a little bit on the website, and they've been selling pretty well as far as I'm aware. But now...
we have the gold.
Excellent.
And I should get a glove on.
Good boy. Safety first.
And we should get the knife.
I'm more concerned for you with these kind of knives than I are with the other ones. Basically, you just have to get my blood pressure going as high as possible, don't you?
Mate, if we're going to do it, let's do it properly.
Yeah, if you go big or go home. All right, let's take a look-see. Let's get one in. We'll get it in the hand if that's okay.
Absolutely.
All right, first look. 2021 Gold Robin Hood from the Royal Mint. Nice.
Very.
And of course, we will be getting some kind of additional footage, I presume. Young fine Ruben will provide that.
Oh, Matt.
Oh, Matt will too. Well, Matt, yes, that's true. Matt will do the filming sometimes, and then Ruben does the editing at the end.
I love the detail, even in the gold, even though it's a smaller coin. They've still got the incredible detail in the trees behind them.
Absolutely. So you've got the, again, you'll see this on the additional, but you've got the Robin Hood, 1 ounce fine gold, 999.9, and just really lovely.
It is.
Yeah.
What do you reckon's on the other side?
Oh, geez, man. Let me guess. Oh, it is. It says Her Madge.
Which is a little, I was going to say it's a little ironic because he was a bit of against the establishment, but he was against
he was a little against the establishment?
Yeah, but he was against the non-genuine, what do you call it? The rebellious establishment.
Because
King Richard was overseas.
The illegitimate establishment.
That's probably the best way to put it.
Yeah, right.
So
he was Richard Loyal.
Yes, that was the one.
Yes,
there
very
you go.
cool.
There's your shot, mate. There's your lead shot.
Oh, this is my thumbnail, is it? Fantastic. Mate, you're making me work for my money here. Oh, that is actually a very, very good thumbnail. I found the thumbnail, people. I'll just find a lovely... That is just... Look at that. That is just lovely. That really shows up nice on the back of that knife there.
It does.
And perfect timing because we're going to serve a customer. Click and collect at the moment, I should say.
Yes.
That is just absolutely fantastic. That is the 2021 Royal Mint Gold Robin Hood. That is without a doubt going to be the thumbnail right there. It is just fantastic. What do they need to know about this?
They are available online as this is released.
Yep.
And grab them while you can. We don't know how long we'll be able to hold them for. They are a limited edition.
Yep.
And they are the first part in the Myths and Legends series from the Royal Mint.
And we know the next one's coming out soonish.
Yep.
And what is it?
I think we're allowed to say it now. It's the Maid Marian.
In the Maid Marian. That'll be really cool too.
So design looks great. Actually.
And this is the first in the series, so you may want to consider collecting the entire set.
That's the
and
one.
then the completer coin when they eventually do that too.
And as far as capsules go, we will encapsulate them. If you get them in, ones or twos or threes, if you buy a full tube, we probably won't open the tube on those.
Of course, yeah.
But the capsules you're going to find are going to be slightly too big for them.
Okay.
We don't have a 30, I think these are 38 mils. We don't have a 38 mil in.
Okay. But that's okay, it's still being protected.
But it will be protected by that.
Fantastic. Head over to bullionnow.com.au, of course. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.